Hello guys, good evening. Tonight I'm going to cook a talbos ng kalabasa. Squash guys. Tanawa. Tumoy sa kalabasa. So I'm going to fry this one guys. And with I'm going to add a spam, to add meat, to add flavor rather. And I have here pepper. And of course, the main spices is garlic and onion. And garlic, a seasoning to allspice and garlic and pepper. So while the pan is heating here, I did not clean this one because Philip cooked his food while I'm cleaning the yard, so I can really cook. So he's the one who make his food, and this is from the potato grease. So I don't wanna. This is still okay. So I need to use that. And I guess that will add to a flavor too. So the squash guys, I learned this one from my mama, because when I was still there living in the house, mama always cook this one. In fact, she add coconut milk, but since I don't have coconut milk, I'll just stir fry this one. I'm pretty sure this will be turned to good. So while I'm waiting here, check. Okay. And the pepper. Okay. Smells good really guys. And I'm going to add now the shoots. I don't know how you're gonna call this one in English, but kalabasa guys. There you go. And I peel the skin, so it's not rough to eat. I know there is some here. This is hairy because the squash stem is hairy. So you see? So there's no hair anymore because I peel it. It's easy to peel guys. I'll be back so I can mix this one. Hey guys, I already mixed properly. Now I'm going to cover it. Okay, I'm going to add now the seasoning. Pampalasa. Okay, ito. And of course, always present soy sauce here. Then I need to mix. Just mix slowly. Okay. I'll wait till it cook. Okay, let's check again. Oh wow. I need to get a small scope. Here I have now. Easy to mix. I add guys 1 piece of tomato. Wow, smells good really guys. Then I'm going to add now the spam. Yeah, wow, super yummy. Very good. Wow. Wow. See guys, wow, super yummy. Very smells good. And I guess this is already done, cooked. Let me try. Yeah. Perfect. I need to turn off now the fire. Okay. So I wanna take now my food. Wow. Yummy. Okay. Mondo is not around. He went go out because it's Saturday evening, you know. Saturday, teenager will... Ay, Jesus Lord. Oh God. So, kuyawan ako eh. My knee. Whew. Just drop the boulder on the floor. Yeah, drop on the floor. It's like a glass. Good thing did not break. So my food guys. I need to add more meat. There. That's my food. Then I'm going to cover this one for Undoy's food. Undoy is having his fun outside. You know, he's still teenager, so he will look for... he wants to go out and... okay. Talk somebody else. Wow. Perfect guys. Smells good really. And tastes good. The squash. So if you have some squash there on your place, you can eat that one. You can cut looks like talbos ng kamote. So just like that. Then the young one on the shoot young one, not the hard stuff. And peel it, and you can make it like this. A simple food but nutritious. And you can also add a coconut milk here, and with if you want to add some little meat, you can add too. And if you don't have, just do it this way. And hi guys, that's my rice for tonight. Little rice for me, because last night I did not eat. Oh my God, I cannot sleep really. I just ate 1 piece of, looks like a pancake, a cupcake rather. God, I cannot really sleep. So I just ate it. I had just have a little. This is not maybe a... yeah. I'm not sure if this is 1 cup. No, this is not 1 cup. This might be a half cup. So with this food from here only, so I'll be satisfied. I'll be okay. And I don't know what's going on to the dog here. Little keep on barking. Tanga, what's wrong? Huh? You know, every Saturday and Sunday and Friday, it is a little bit noisy because you know it's some of the teenager they gonna mingle, and then there are some they make a video case so loud, and some when they ride on the bike very loud. So that's where the dogs will get excited. So especially in the middle of the night, wow, every time there is a bike we'll run because you know, in the middle of the night very quiet, so you can hear everything, especially here that we're living in the Boni. So bye for now. Thank you so much for watching my video, and have a happy evening.